And good morning, you guys. We're going to start the last chapter. We come back from Christmas vacation, then we're going to start chapter 8, which is trigonometry. And so, real quick on maintaining mathematical proficiency is pretty easy. I will do like maybe number 2, and then maybe we'll take a look at maybe number 7, and you guys can do the rest. It's pretty simple, okay? So number 2, it says graph function. We've done these before. Let me just go ahead and put down a real simple graph. I know that it has a 0, right? We're going to talk about zeros again. This is a little bit of review at x equals 4. But 4 happens twice because of the quantity squared. I mean, you could rewrite this as another x minus 4. So x equals 4 twice, and we'd have another 0 at x equals negative 1. Okay, so here's what I know, what I've learned from before. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then negative 1. Okay, since this is a positive 1/2, then end behavior tells me that it's going to take off at the end like this. Heading off to infinity because that's a positive value, so from positivity. Now it's going to go through 4 twice, so it's going to go through 4. So to go through 4 twice, it goes through it and back through it, and then up and over, and then through negative 1. Okay, that's it. You can put it on a calculator if you want to, or on Desmos, but that's the basic shape. Okay. Number 7. Hopefully you guys remember Pythagoras theorem. Remember a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're going to need to know that for sure. When we start trigonometry, you're going to have to know how to take care of Pythagoras theorem. So if I take a look at number 7, I'm going to go a squared plus 0.8 squared equals a 1.7 squared. I like to do this the easy way. I'm just going to subtract 0.8 squared, right? And then I'll let my calculator do the work. So I'll have a squared equals a 1.7 squared minus a 0.8 squared. If I just use my calculator to do this, right? I'm just going to go ahead and show you. It's so easy. And I think you guys will agree it's easy. So we're going to go 1.7 squared, subtract a 0.8 squared. And I get a 2.25. So I've got an a squared equals a 2.25. And then, of course, I will square root to get the answer. So I'll take the square root of that answer. I'll go simply the square root of 2.25. And I get 1.5 for that missing side. So a is 1.5. Please show your work. It takes a little bit of work to do these, but that's all I have for you guys today. If you get this done by Friday, that would be awesome. So pretty short lesson, pretty easy, but I want you guys to do this. Okay, so that's all I have.